Hi all, and welcome back to the garage. Today we are installing this little gem on the Africa Twin. If you're anything like me, you'd like to see your cell phone while you're riding. I personally use it mostly for music or radio or something on the road. So I like to have the phone in a portrait position. This is the perfect squeeze from Hondo Garage. It's I used to have a RAM X grip mount, but the problem with that is that the rubber fairings pop off when you ride off road, and I didn't like the way it turned, and it didn't seem quite as sturdy. While this thing here is rock solid, and then you fine tune the grip with the thumb rotation thingy here. I've tested it on the iPhone. It works perfect. So we'll go ahead and install it on the bike. First thing we do is to mount the adapter to the actual mount, like this. Two bolts included, of course, for that. And then these things will grip around the handlebar. So one will go like this. We start by inserting the tightening screw. And we slide it in like this. We have the other one positioned on there. Slide that one in as well. And we'll put this on the handlebar, tighten this up, and it's all done. So getting this on the bike, loosen off this screw just a bit, slightly more. Position it on the bike like that. Tighten it fairly up. And we can insert the phone, use the quick release to tighten it just enough, like that. And then just get the positioning right where you want it. I think like that would be pretty much perfect. Like that. In like that, and then just adjust with these. And that's rock solid. I've tried it as on easy off-road, seems to sit like nothing else. So seems like a nice product. Hope that helps someone. See you in the next video.